in the airport. It is now 5:08 in LAX, and I'm eating breakfast. I forgot to eat dinner, but so yeah, eating breakfast. This is hazelnut. Ooh, that hits the spot. Anyways, running on an hour of sleep. So I'm gonna go to LAX to Hawaii, and then the Hawaiian airline to Haneda, Tokyo. That's right. You read the title. Japan. Anyways, yeah, I have no makeup on right now, so I'm going to. So I'm gonna put it on probably when I land, because I want to try to sleep, because I'm sleep deprived from work and last night. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my brekkie once I figure out how to open this. I'll see you in Hawaii. Okay, so I'm in Hawaii. I'm in the Honolulu airport right now. Eljo just landed. I've been here for a bit. Since I'm a standby passenger, I had to clean my baggage and then check it in again to a different airport. And then I ate lunch, which was disgusting. The place is called Chow Mein Express, and the chow mein was literally the worst part. And the best part was the broccoli beef. And I mainly just ate the broccoli, honestly. Elja just landed though, so oh my god, my voice. Elja just landed, so I am putting my face on as best I can. There's a little update. And I'm gonna finish my face. That's all for now. Maybe in the next clip I'll look. Why is it so good? We made it, and we're sitting by each other by the bathroom. We peed. Also, this looks like oatmeal. Should I open it? Unboxing. Wow.
And welcome to Flight 4.
Ooh. Great.
To Annetta shortly here.
Asian who never learned how to use chopsticks. Are you gonna use it for this? Why is this so low? Jesus. Are you gonna eat it like this? Bruh. You're gonna eat it like that? Bruh. Dinner. Woke up. Now we're in Japan. As you can see, there's a 7-Eleven right there. Where are we going? Let's see. I have no idea where we're going. Excuse me, sorry. Anyways, it's hot, so see you later. It was nasty.
The next thing we know is
Sunglasses acquired. Check.